Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Please allow me to introduce myself. Kimi Katkara from the Faculty of Psychology, University of Semarang, where in our research we consist of myself, Miss Maria Yuliana Wangge, SPC, Embassy Psycholog, and Feti Pratiwi, SPC, Embassy Psycholog, with the title of the research Teenager Soft Disclosure about Family Conflict on Social Media. Background: the family as the initial environment known to teenagers should be able to be a place for teenagers to get attention, affection, and many things needs as a part of family. If the family is able to provide a comfortable atmosphere for teenager, it is likely that teenager will find it easier to fulfill their development tasks. The role of the family in helping teenagers solve their problem is very rare because usually teenagers will be more open to their families, but parents and siblings. However, if a teenager has problem with his family, it will be difficult for him to open up to this parent. Based on statistical data, from year to year, there has been an increase in social media users, especially for teenagers. By 2023, there will be almost 500,000 users, and as many as 31.6% of teenagers use social media with the aim of posting about the lives they live. Formulation of the problem. Number one, what is the description of teenager self-disclosure regarding family conflict on social media? Number two, what factor influence teenager self-disclosure about family conflict on social media? Purpose. Number one, describe the description of teenager self-disclosure regarding family conflict on social media. Number two, knowing what factor influence teenager self-disclosure about family conflict on social media. Literature review. Lily 2017 states that in general self-disclosure is the process of conveying information about oneself to others regarding everything that is experienced. Aspect of self-disclosure, DeVito 2016, amount, valency, accuracy, intention, and intimate. Time, location, and research respondent. The time for conducting research is from March until June 2024. Research location in Denmark. The characteristics of the respondent in this study are: number one, teenager aged 14 until 18 years who have problem with their family. Number two, teenager who have used social media for more than 1 year. Material and equipment. The equipment used during research process was the stationery, books, and cell phones, which were useful for taking notes during the data collection process. Meanwhile, cell phones are used to record conversation during interview with respondents. Data collection procedure by using interview, observation, and documentation technique which are prepared based on aspect of self-disclosure from DeVito 2016. Data analysis methods. Miles and Habermas model interactive analysis where research readers data, display data, and draw conclusion. Sugiono 2015. Data credibility. Research use two method adapt to the research objective. These two methods as follow. Number one, compare observational data with interview data. Number two, compare what the other says with what the subject says personally. Result and discussion. Overview of this research adolescent self-disclosure regarding family conflict on social media. The family conflict experienced by respondents include conflict over intimacy, identity, and rejection by their respective families. Internal factors that influence self-disclosure of adolescents with family conflict are their need for affiliation, lack of family social support, friendship intimacy, and trust. Meanwhile, the external factor is the social environment. Social penetration theory, Atman 1973, orientation stage is there is a process of introduction and sharing of general information that everyone knows. Exploratory active exchange stage, individuals have start to open up and explore their brain to find and share things that each individual likes. Affective exchange stage, individuals share information that concern the realm of privacy on personal matters that not everyone knows. Discussion, using social media help teenagers express things they are afraid to express directly to the person they are talking to. Respondents are more hunch about expressing themselves on social media because of the feeling of security that comes from disclosing themselves through social media. This is in line with the result of research by Bantaran and Helmi 2015 that teenagers tend to be more comfortable expressing themselves through online media than in person. Zhang's 2017 research revealed that individuals tend to open social media when experiencing stress and disclose themselves on social media. The response obtained from self-disclosure on social media caused individuals to feel they have received increased social support, increased life satisfaction, and decreased life with depression from the stress experience. Devi and Siswati 2000X. Conclusion. The result of this research show that self-disclosure of adolescents who are in conflict with their families in examined based on social penetration theory, where self-disclosure occurs from the orientation stage, the active exploratory exchange stage, to the affective exchange stage. Internal factors that influence self-disclosure of adolescents with family conflict are the need for affiliation, lack of family social support, friendship intimacy, and trust. Meanwhile, the external factor is the social environment. Suggestion. Further research. It is recommended that future research develop self-disclosure research using quantitative research methods and sought at several related variables. For respondents, teenagers should be expected to be wise in expressing themselves on social media in cyberspace, have the potential to cause danger and risk, which are growing along with advanced. That's all the presentation from our team. Thank you for the opportunity given.